how to build Samurai Carpenter inspired Sawstallions, aka Sawhorses on steroids. Ta-da! My new Sawstallions. When sawhorses are this nice, you call them Sawstallions. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. Welcome to the Monterey Bay. I put in a lot of hard work on these sawhorses to try to make them heirloom quality and to have the look and the feel match that of my Samurai Carpenter workbench.
These sawhorses are a fun project. Not only that, they're very educational and skill building. They stack together very nicely. I kind of fold into each other so they don't take too much foot space. They're very heavy and sturdy. They're made out of red oak. I don't buy red oak of this width, so obviously I've laminated 2 or 3 pieces of red oak together. I've shaped these. Red oak again on the legs, white white maple. And then the top is poplar and topped with some black walnut, and then topped with just some shelving stuff in order to protect the black walnut and also give a really nice secure surface where things don't move around. The legs are going into the feet with a blind mortise and tenon. So these are actually screwed, and then I cut a square hole and then I put the plugs in to cover those screws. This piece here involves a through mortise and tenon, and then those have been tapered, the holes, and then split with a saw and then pound in the black walnut wedges. I did learn quite a few things here. This was the main thing I was nervous about on my Samurai Carpenter workbench, and so that's why I built these sawhorses, is to get some experience and some practice. I learned some things, so I'm now comfortable attacking the workbench. I have the top designed so that if it gets all beat up and torn up, I can actually just remove the top and replace it with a new one, because this is a tenon going up into a mortise and then it's screwed.
These are based on the original design that are some free plans on the Samurai Carpenter website, but I would recommend you join his online school and get plans to the latest version plus many other things. Small Workshop Guy signing off.